Hey, it's Rob from Wheelworks Bike Shop in Dublin. We have a couple of unboxings today. First one is, I think it's a pretty cool paint scheme on a Speed Concept. It's an SLR9, the eTap version, so it's ram red axis. And I think, oh yeah, this one's pretty cool. Peter's trying to get a sneak look in there before we take it out of the box. Okay, we had to do this one inside because it's very windy outside today, so we're testing a new microphone for all those people who have pointed out that the sound quality is being a bit poor, so you can let me know if it's any better. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the new special edition paint schemes called tie-dye. It's pretty wild looking. Handlebars painted to match. Oh, that's very cool handlebar. So we went with the mid-rise on this one. The Speed Concept bar comes in a couple of different rises. That's the medium height. You can get a flat one or a tall rise. You see that paint? The tie-dye effect going through it with yellow and pink and purple and blue on the back. Use that there for the moment. And have a look at it's one of those where I know there's some people have told me they watch the video just to see what the colour is, and as soon as I start unpacking it and they see the colour, they switch off the video because they've seen it. But you're not going to see all the colours until we get all the way to the end on this one. So lots of colours. Seat post painted to match. We've RSL 62s, on Treasure RSL 62 wheels on this one. Oh, that's a pretty special paint job. That's very cool. We have an artist's signature on this frame as well. Let's see if we can read it. Hard to know. Rebecca Reben. Anyway, maybe one of the P1 artists who watches the videos can tell us who that is. So tie-dye is a limited run of paint schemes that Trek have added to Project 1 this year. Wonder, can I loosen that and just pop the handlebars on? No, I don't have any Allen keys with me. Okay, so that's sort of most of it. We'll get it into the workshop and get the lads to put it together, and we'll do some photographs and video tomorrow. I think that one's going to look pretty special. Okay, Rob from Wheelworks Bike Shop in Dublin. I'll get that one put together and let you have a look at it.